Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reset your Windows laptop or a desktop without losing your personal files or the data. With this option, it removes the installed application and custom system settings as these are often the source of system issues. However, you will not lose your data or personal files from the computer. Now to reset your computer to the factory settings without losing the data, all you have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on Windows Update, the last option. Once you're on the Windows Update, on the right hand side you will see an option which says Advanced option. Click on it, and then on the right hand side you will see an option for recovery. Click on recovery. Under this you will see a recovery options, reset this PC. So you will have to go ahead and click on reset PC. Now here you have an option to choose to keep my files and remove everything. If you want to restore your computer to factory settings without losing the data or without losing your personal files, you will have to choose the first option, keep my files. Wait for about a minute or less than a minute. Now here you would get an option, how would you like to reinstall your Windows? Now cloud download will download a fresh copy of Windows. If you have a good internet connection, then you can choose cloud download. If you choose local install, it will use the existing system image on your device. I would recommend you to choose local reinstall. And the next option you would get is for additional settings. So in this current settings, it will restore the apps and settings which came with this PC, and it will reinstall the Windows from this device. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on next, and you will be prompted for getting things ready. You will have to wait until your computer reboots. It might take about 15 to 20 minutes, or it depends on the amount of applications or data you have on the computer. Wait until your system reboots. Once your system reboots your computer to restore to the factory settings without deleting or losing any personal data. So this is how you can go ahead and reset your Windows to the factory settings without losing the personal files. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.